We are going to make some cookies here. I have my butter here. This is my sugar, but my sugar I'm coming to blend it to get soft sugar, like powdered sugar. Yeah, so I'm coming to make the powdered sugar. So I'm making my powdered sugar. I've got powdered sugar. This is our butter here. I'm adding my powdered sugar. Remember me, I don't know how to measure. This one is for myself, so I don't need to measure. But if you are doing some in your house, try to measure so that you will not make a mistake or lose focus on what you are doing. You get it? Yeah. This one is for me, so I'm just using my mind to measure it. But if you are in the house and you have machine to measure, or you can use anything to measure, you are free to do it. You get it? Yeah. So I'm creaming my sugar to get smooth and creamy texture. You get it? Yeah. So I'm creaming the sugar right now. Don't want to use machine, I just want to use my hand so that I will know what. I've got a creamy texture, you see. I'm adding a little salt here. A little salt. But I have a cream here. I'm adding some today. Hey, I'm adding some here. Hey, we diner doings. We diner cooking. Hey. Nuts. Because I'm doing a creamy cookie, so I made my own powdered sugar. I blended the sugar, yeah. Then my butter, then I cream it to get this kind of texture, you see. So you see, so I'm doing creamy butter cookies here. So now let's add the flour. Bidina dois, bidina shit, bidina ha, bidina ho. Never give up, okay? Anything you know how to do, just do it. Don't focus on any negative vibes. You get it? Yeah. Always be positive. Focus on yourself and what you aim to do. Especially if you are a new content creator, enjoy what you are doing. Like Vidina Waka doing, always enjoy what she's doing. She loves herself. Yeah, I say I love myself. I love myself, and I don't joke what I love about. Yeah, I'm very creative. I entertain myself. Even people are not watching me cry. I love watching myself. You get it? Because I'm a positive soul. I don't focus on negative vibes. This is my flower. I'm not measuring it, yeah, because it's for myself, so I'm not measuring it, you see. Are you? So, I'm mixing them. Oh, na, hey, it's all about Gideon Waka vibes. Gideon Waka YouTube. Yeah. So let's add a little vanilla essence, yeah. So I've added vanilla essence. I'm mixing it. I'm adding another salt because the salt I added is small. So I'm adding a little pinch of salt. You know, some people, when they are doing cookies, some people add egg. You know, we have different types and different method on doing cookies. You get it? Yeah. Like mine, because I want it so different, I added cream, you see. I added cream. Because I want it so rich, I added cream. So in cooking, we have different method. We get it, yeah. Some people just use powdered sugar, butter, then flour. You cream your sugar and butter. After it's so creamy, then you add your flour. You get it, yeah. So mine is done. You see, so soft. You see that I get soft texture. Okay, so I'm coming to put it in a plastic cling film. Then, gosh, I've thrown my. Okay, so this is my cling film here. I'm going to put it in the fridge for some time. You get it. Maybe the time I want to do it there, then I'll bring it out, then I'll cut and put it in the oven. So let's see the next. Okay, so this is my cookies here. I just removed from the fridge. I'm coming to cut it into desirable shape I want. I'm cutting it, so after I will show it to you. This is my cookies now. You see my cookies? So crispy, so soft. You see? It's hot, so you see, so soft, creamy. You see that so much. You see my hand, you can see that too much. The butter is too much and so rich. We are all invited again. Whoa.